Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Black Shark 4. Today I'll show you a quick gameplay from Pokémon Go. Okay, so as you can see, here we've got our main screen of Pokémon Go. In the center we've got our character, and now here we've got Pokémons. This is our team, we can fight them, and these blue pins on the map are Pokéstops. Let's tap on it and spin. By spinning we can gain some rewards like Pokeballs, potions, etc. Let's tap on our character. In here we've got statistics about our character. We can change style, see journal and see our body history. If you tap on friends, we've got list of all your friends. You can add them, invite them and search for them. You can also change your online status. In here you can see your body status. How much you've walked together. You can give your body a treat, play with them, battle together, take snapshot and visit a place. Let's tap on the Pokeball icon. In here we've got some more specific menu, like Pokémons we've catched, our Pokédex, shop, let's take our free daily box, battle, and items. If you tap here, you got lists of possible Pokémons that are in your area. And right here we've got quests. For all quests you got some rewards. Okay, let's try to catch some Pokémons. Nice. These two were easy. Now we can try to fight our team. Let's check our items. and done. To fight, you have to just tap on the screen. You can also use super attacks. Now we've got the possibility to rescue Pokémon. And our last chance. And we've got him. Great. I think that's enough for the beginning. If you like this video, hit the thumb up, comment and subscribe.